Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. For generate 3D models, I will use Hitem3D. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first of all let's create new composition. Right click, new composition, and name 3D animation and full HD size, 15 seconds in duration, and OK. So time to generate 3D models. For this I will use Hitem3D. Let's switch to Hitem3D. So guys, on dashboard we have general image to 3D, multi-view to 3D, or portrait, 3D relief, and segmentation. This segmentation feature is for 3D printing, and today I will create motion graphics, and for this I will use general and 3D relief. Let's first open general and upload example image here. Choose image 1 and open. And on settings we can choose model version, and we can see something new here, version 2. This is new version for better 3D generation. And resolution, for Pro I will use this section. Also we can use 1536p resolution, and I will choose Pro. And generate type, we have two ways, geometry plus texture or only geometry. I will choose geometry plus texture. And that's all. Just click generate for generating 3D model. Okay, also let's import image 2, and this is part of save, and again model version 2, geometry plus texture, and generate. Okay, generating is done, and here we go. We have 3D model here, and we can see settings here: free rectory 3 times, segmentation, print, and we can get this model in our computer like in format GLB, OBJ, STL, FBX, and USDZ. Also can share this model. And for see details, let me show without texture. Go to click this button, white diffuse, and here we go. We can see all details of model like this. Okay, perfect. Also let's try other buttons. Albedo, we can see with albedo and with normal map. Perfect. And let's back to render result. So about the model settings here, we can read, and let's go to choose GLB and click here. Also second part of model, and let's see checking. Okay, that's good. Again, see details, just click white diffuse, and let's zoom to for see details. Okay, these buttons and this lock and wheel. Perfect. And again, let's choose GLB and get this model in our computer. Okay, time to 3D relief. Let's open and import image 3. And I'm gonna create 3D relief like in this coin and click generate. Okay, here we go, it's done, and let's play with settings for better results. First, base type. We can choose solid or remove base. Okay, and for fix this problem, let's change base remove like this. Okay. And next, relief shape, secure or circle. Okay, and proportional scale, let's change scale. Okay, and sculpting mode, we can change like this, extrude. Okay, that's good. And bend mode, we can choose positive or negative. Let's choose off. And bend axis, YZ or XZ. Okay, so also can choose with texture. Not bad. We can play settings a little bit for better results. Okay, that's good. So model is ready, and we can use 3D printer for printing this object. So if you think this model is basic, no problem. We can use difficult images. Let's drag and drop. Okay, and model version 2 resolution, let's choose this version. Okay, and geometry texture, let's generate. So okay, here we go, it's done, and we can see results is perfect. Look at the textures, details. I like this generate model, and everything is very well. So guys, go to project and right click import file. We have two 3D models. Let's choose both models and import. So choose this safe box and drag and drop into composition. Don't change any settings, click OK. Let's press C for C model. Okay. And also select the safe box door, drag and drop into composition, and OK. So let's go to view 1 and choose this door. Let's move to back and press S, change scale for prepare animation. OK. And in this time, go to anchor point and move the anchor point to right and change view to left. Move to center and again change to view front and move to like this. So press R, open rotation and change rotation. Okay, it works. Let's back to view 1 and let's see. Nice. And let's clickation tool, move to inside the safe box and change rotation. Nice, it works. So in this time, let's choose safe box door and link to safe box. Choose safe box and here we go. It works. So in this time, let's back to active camera and hide these 3D models for now. And let's create new solid layer for background and change color like this. Click OK, add them background and OK. Move to behind of layers. Also, let's try to use gradient ramp and choose gradient ramp, use for background solid layer and choose here radial ramp and go to start color, choose like this and swap colors. Hold this point and move to down, also this. So for remove these lines, change ramp scatter 100. Okay, also we can try another colors. Let's for example choose end color, choose blue. And also start color like this. Okay, not bad. And choose background, Control D for duplicate, change name grid and delete gradient ramp, search effect grid and use for grid layer and change size form to width slider, change slider and opacity like this. So in this time, go to shape layers, hold this icon, choose render the rectangle tool and let's create one rectangle like this. Clickation tool, go to fill, choose color white and let's change name element main and go to settings. Let's change redness for smooth. Okay, and press T, change opacity. Nice. And let's enable 3D layers and select this element main, move to behind of 3D models and choose safe box, press S, change scale and move to right. Press R, change rotation. Okay, and for fix this lighting system, let's right click new and light. Choose light type environment and cast shadows. Okay. And let's go to project, right click, import and file. Go to local disk C, program files, Blender, Blender 4, and data files, Studio Light, World, and choose interior environment image and import. So drag and drop into composition and hide. Choose environment light and go to search. Choose here interior EXR and here we go, it works. And open transform, let's change transform. Okay, not bad. So in this time, choose the safe box, press S, change scale more. So in this time, let's go to text and right here deposit and color, let's choose white. Okay, and font size, let's change a little bit. And move to here. So back to element main and let's try to change color. For example, go to fill and choose radial gradient and okay. So guys, again, let's back to background layer and open gradient and color and choose color like this. And also start color, let's choose to white. So select this grid and change color. Let's choose blue. Okay, and select this element main shape layer. Go to gradient, fill color, and first color let's choose blue, like this. And second color again blue, but dark blue. And let's click OK. Go to choose this gradient tool and make gradient like this. Okay, again back to gradient and choose this. Let's change like this. Okay, so in this time select this save box. Let's link to element main and choose element main. Let's enable title action save and let's press P and move to left. Okay, also select text. Let's link to element main and move to here. Okay, and select element. Let's move to down and press P and create new path in keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut, you can press hold shift page down and move to up. Go to again 10 keyframes, move to down, again 10 keyframes, move to up, again 10 keyframes, move to down, and again move to up. And let's see. Okay, choose keyframes and make it easy or click F9. Let's preview animation. Okay, so in this time go to window and animation composer 4. If you have .animation composer, I will add the link on the station below. And go to animation presets, choose text preset, and we can choose text animation. Let's choose this text animation and choose here text, click in and close window. Let's see. Okay, let's move to right. Let's preview animation. Okay, and for now, let's select the 3D models and hide for work fast. Okay, so let's enable save box and choose save box. Press R and create Y rotation keyframe. Go to here and chain rotation like this. Okay, make the keyframes easy and choose keyframes, go to graph editor. Let's make it graph like this. Okay, not bad. Back to keyframes, and in this time let's choose this element main and go to here, go to 5 keyframes. Let's go to shape properties and let's click size icon, create size keyframe. And go to 5 keyframes, change size like this. And also this size. So make the keyframes easy and select this text. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate, move to right. Again Ctrl D, move to right. And choose first text. Let's move to down. Right here, U. And text 3, let's move to down, and right here money. So in this time select this text deposit and let's timing. In this time press P, create new path in keyframe, go to here and move to like this, move to left and make keyframes easy. And next text, let's move to here, and this move to here. Let's see. We can choose these text layers and move to here. And preview animation. Okay, in this time, select the save box and press S. Let's create scale keyframe and go to here, change scale and go to back, hold shift, press P. Let's create new path in keyframe, go to like this and move to here. Make it keyframes easy. Let's move to left keyframes. Okay, and let's hold shift press R, open rotation, create Y rotation keyframe, and go to here. Let's go to 6 seconds or 7, and change rotation like this. And select keyframe, go to graph editor. Let's zoom to graph. And let's make graph like this. Okay, and now let's select this safe box door. Let's press R, open rotation, create Y rotation keyframe, and go to here. Let's change rotation for open safe door, and make keyframes easiest. And now let's choose this safe box. Go to here. Let's create X and Z rotation keyframes. Go to here and change rotations like this. And make keyframes also easy. And let's see. Nice. And now for fix this reflection problem, go to prepare safe box and composition settings. Go to accept lights. Let's turn off. And here we go. Colors is better without light for this model. And safe box door. Also go to composition options and turn off light. And here we go. We can see perfect 3D model with texture. That's good. Okay, let's preview animation. Okay, nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.